Okay everyone, so this is a video about how to achieve assignment 2.1.1, and this is going to allow you to create a template document which you can use for all of your future projects. Very exciting stuff. So the first thing I'm going to have you all do is save this totally untouched item by going to File and Save. And this is very important that you go ahead and save this document the way that I have asked you to do so, which is your last name and then assignment 2.1.1, because I'm going to have to open these documents in Vectorworks in order to look at them, and it's easier for me to know which document I'm looking at the time. So I'm going to say Swigger, because that's what I've asked you to do, is your last name, assignment 2.1.1, and I'm just going to save it to the desktop right now for myself. Great, and now it says it up here. So the first thing we want to do is go to File, Page Setup, and we're going to click Show Page Boundary Off. You have strong feelings about why you would like to keep this on. That's okay. You just need to talk to me about it. But for now, I want you to just go through the motions of turning this off for this project, because it's one of the things I'm grading on. Did you follow the instructions? So then we need to go to Tools, Smart Cursor Settings. I did not know that I can suspend snapping by using the quote key. Okay. And I'm going to say Show Grid is going to be turned off. If you're not here automatically, you just have to go to Grid and then make sure that Show Grid is not clicked. And then you can say OK. And now it won't change immediately. You sort of have to zoom in and zoom out a little bit to get that to go away. Marvelous. Freedom. The other thing that I would like you to do while you're at it is on your snapping tools here, you will want to make sure that the snap to grid is off. So if it's grayed, it means that it will snap to these things. I want this one to not be a darker gray color. If at any point you accidentally close a palette, you just have to go to Window, Palettes, and then you can turn them on and off here. You're not the first person, and you are not will not be the last person to accidentally turn those off. You'll see right now that I do not have the Resource Manager or any of these other things on right now because you don't need them, and they might get confusing on your screen. We can turn them on later. So now that we have that, I would like you to go to File, Document Settings, Units. And so here, if you wanted to change this to the metric system, you could, but we're for the most part working in Imperial, for better or for worse. There's different ways to display fractions. I like this one in particular, although you may have your own preferences. This also allows you to have fraction precision, and so right now it is set to be 1/8 of an inch. For funsies right now, I'm going to make it 1/4 of an inch because for the most part, student builders can't really build the 1/8 inch precision. I mean, we're really lucky for 1/2 inch precision. Only not famous, but professional carpenters could really build to 1/8 precision. So I'm just going to put it to 1/4 right now. Great, and now we have a blank space. I'm going to start another video because I don't want these videos to get too long. I want you to have bite-sized pieces. So I'm going to create a step 2 video.